PLDT Home is a proud partner to all of you hardworking mompreneurs. Your stories remind us that being a mother and an entrepreneur are complementary roles that can drive transformative change.
Pagkikilala ito sa inyong dedikasyon at kontribusyon upang iangat hindi lamang ang inyong kabuhayan, kundi maging ang ekonomiya ng bansa. Mabuhay ang ating mga madiskarteng mompreneurs.
Excellence, innovation, and mompowerment. Today, we honor you. This is your day, Madiskarte Moms, dahil sa inyong award-winning na diskarte.
So in a personal level po, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko talaga ina-expect. This is actually a sign na I should continue. Nagkakaroon ako nalulus na ako ng hope. Pero ito yung sign na ituloy ko siya kasi marami kaming mga natutulungan na tao.
Thank you sa Madiskarte Moms kasi ako yung isa sa mom na dumanas kasi ng anxiety. Kaya yun, sabi ko, hindi, gagawin kong example yung sarili ko to encourage other mommies.
My journey isn't just about business success, it's about supporting and inspiring moms like me. Ang recognition po na ito serves as a reminder that I am on the right track. Thank you very much. And together we can create a community of support and empowerment, proving that it is possible to have a thriving business while still having quality time with the family and with the kids.
I think yung pong pag-try ko again, kasi parang na-prove po na I'm betting on my business and I really believe in my vision po. And mas marami kaming ma-reach para maturuan ang advocacy namin.
With our strategy and vision, our Madiskarte Moms can achieve exceptional growth in their business. Kaya ang amoy ng business nila is amoy ng success.
Welcome, everybody, again to the 2023 Gawad Madiskarte, tagumpay ng Madiskarteng Pinay.
There's always a room for second chances, and I believe as a Madiskarte mom, you really have to be resilient. You have to bounce forward. Like as what I've said earlier, kahit anumang hamon ng buhay pa yan, kung ikaw ay Madiskarte, aangat at aangat ka. I-share po namin siya sa mga orphanages na we have been supporting ever since. And dun sa mga members din ng community, dun sa mga mommies na kailangan ng funding, we will reach out sa Madiskarte Moms PH. I believe that we all rise by lifting others.
Follow your heart, your passion, help other moms, other people through their business, and in that way, nagbi-build din sila ng legacy nila. Kahit anong mangyari, wag susuko.
Just keep pushing, just keep striving, kasi eventually, you'll find success. You don't go against the wind, but go with the wind.
You just have to take that one step.
Find your sense of purpose and give it an impact. Gawin nyo yung gusto nyo gawin. At the same time, bigyan nyo ng puso yung ginagawa ninyo.
Lahat naman ng nanay, madiskarte. So, just believe in yourself and of course, pray.
The moment na parang natatakot kayo is the moment na i-push nyo.
I just have to say, congratulations to all of the finalists. You are all winners already. Lahat ng pumasok at nagbigay ng kanilang entries, you are all winners already.